Hi, my name is Carlos Patino.
And I am Austin Pro.
In this lesson, we're going to talk about some common liability issues that personal trainers run into and give you some brief ideas on how you can avoid them. So don't be surprised if you run into one or two crazy clients in the fitness industry that really want to make your life difficult.
Which, unfortunately, it is inevitable, but at that point, you just gotta go with the flow.
A common liability issue is injury caused by equipment. Sometimes the equipment can actually malfunction and injure the client, or sometimes the client is not using correct form while performing the exercise, which can later on lead to injury, or sometimes it's pure negligence by the personal trainer by not correcting the form that's being used by the client. So make sure when you're prescribing an exercise, you check the equipment and make sure it's in good condition so your client doesn't get injured.
Our next common liability issue as a personal trainer is just pure negligence by the trainer in the form of being late, as in tardiness, or cutting the workout or training session short, so leaving 5 to 10 minutes early. So in both these circumstances, it's all on the personal trainer to make sure they both don't happen, because if they do keep happening, a lot of people won't want to join as new clients and also won't reference their friends or family as new clients as well. And then all of your current clients are most likely not going to stay if you keep up these actions. Now, staying on the topic of liability issues, both misconduct as well as supplement malpractice fall into those categories. Misconduct could be something kind of like dating a client or sexually assaulting a client, both something you want to stay away from if you want to remain professional. Now, we also talk about supplement malpractice. That could include recommending any sort of supplement you're taking to your clients and then them having some sort of allergic reaction or just medical problem in general to that exact supplement.
The first solution that we have for personal trainers to avoid some or all of these issues is giving your client the best product and service possible. If you're giving your client the best that you can give them, chances are you're probably not going to run into any of these issues. Now, as a personal trainer, it's your job to figure out how you can give your clients the best possible products and services that makes you unique so you're able to meet their needs as well as their goals. Whether that means you're coming in before the training session to prepare so you're not always improvising, or you're having a close relationship with your clients outside of the gym so you're able to constantly check on their emotional state, being aware of any previous injuries that they had or aches and pains that they're presently dealing with. Another thing could be being in contact with their doctor so you're actually aware of what kind of supplements they can take. All of these ideas can help you figure out what kind of a personal trainer you want to be, as well as avoiding all of these liability issues that personal trainers sometimes run into.
Next, we have a common solution in the form of waivers. Now, waivers, if made up and typed out correctly, can protect trainers as well as companies from a variety of different things. The most common being suing due to negligence of the personal trainer. Now, waivers do have their pros and cons, but if studied correctly, these waivers can protect a personal trainer or company from some quite hefty lawsuits in the future. So it's good to have them just in case, because you never know. Waivers are especially excellent for all new clients, as they clearly outline all of the risks that the client may be getting into, so then that way, nothing comes as a surprise to them if mistakes do possibly happen.
Another solution for personal trainers to avoid these types of liability issues or actually solve them would be getting a professional insurance policy in case a client actually decides to sue you because of pure negligence by you, the personal trainer, or for whatever reason the client feels like they were negatively impacted by your products and services. These insurance policies can go from around $750 to $1,000 depending on the type of coverage that you want. The more coverage that you want, the more expensive it's going to be. But these professional companies can step in and provide you legal services and take over the legal case while you focus on maintaining a good reputation and salvaging your career with your current clients. And these insurance policies can be extremely beneficial when difficult times come that we never expect.